Hello students. So now today in this session we will be going to discuss about the new concept in the business studies class 12 that is related with stock exchange. After going through the financial market where we have seen that there are types of financial market, capital market, money market, and we have to raise the funds. And in that we have seen one point that the raising of funds will be taken with the help of the intermediaries or the stock exchange. So stock exchange is what? What is the stock exchange? So I have drafted the meaning and the features for you which we will be discussing in detail in this session. Okay. So stock exchange, it is a place where the securities of the listed or the registered companies are bought and sold. Only those companies which are listed in the stock exchange or which are registered in the stock exchange are able to sell their securities in the stock exchange. Other companies will not be able to sell their securities, or as an investor we will not be able to broad and sell the securities of those companies which are not listed there. एक ऐसी जगह, एक ऐसा मार्केट है कि जहां पे रजिस्टर्ड कंपनीज की या लिस्टेड कंपनीज की सिक्योरिटीज को आसानी से खरीदा और बेचा जा सकता है. ओके, देन कम्स द फीचर्स ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. अब इसके फीचर्स क्या है, इसकी विशेषताएं क्या है? व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फीचर, फर्स्ट इट इज सेड दैट इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ कैपिटल मार्केट ओनली. ये कैपिटल मार्केट का एक पार्ट है through which the securities are bought and sold. The ownership is changed. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, सिक्योरिटीज खरीदी और बेची जाती हैं, यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर ऑफ ओनरशिप हो रही है. So all these things are taking place in the capital market only. तो ये कैपिटल मार्केट का एक पार्ट है. Second, it is an organized body. This body is an organized body because this is being working under the norms of the SEBI, that is the Security Exchange Board of India, and only the authorized people or the members are allowed to do the working in this market. सिर्फ authorized person या जो registered member है उन्हीं को यहाँ पे काम करने दिया जाता है. So only these authorized people can do the trading or can do the work in the stock exchange. Then comes, it only trades in the listed security. यहाँ पे जो ट्रेडिंग होता है only of the listed securities, those companies which are listed on the stock exchange, not which are registered on the stock exchange. Only the securities of those companies can be bought and sold in the stock exchange. सिर्फ उन्हीं कंपनीज की सिक्योरिटीज को हम खरीद और बेच सकते हैं जो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में क्या है, लिस्टेड है और रजिस्टर्ड है. Then comes, it is a registered body. ये एक registered body है. Why it is said as a registered body? Because it is organized by the group or the groups of the individual person. And all the stock exchange when we are talking about are the registered bodies nowadays. ये सब registered किए हुए हैं and these bodies are being registered under the Indian Companies Act 1956. इनका जो registration होता है under the Companies Act 1956, the stock exchange is registered. So it is working like company only. Then use of technical terms. Many technical terms are being used in the stock exchange. For the buying and the selling of securities, the technical terms are there. For the ups and downs in the market, the technical terms are there. Some of the technical terms like quotation, spot delivery means you have to quote the rates of buying and selling of the security. Spot delivery, that means the delivery will take place. Forward delivery, that means now your securities will be forwarded on a particular date. So these are the number of terms which are being used in the stock exchange or the stock market. Okay, specialization. This is the special market. ये एक important character है इसका. This is one of the important character. It is the specialized market. Because forecasting of the prices of the financial assets can be done here. Then making the agreements related with the buying and the selling of financial securities been done here with true and fair manner, and the transfer of the security is been done in the transparent manner, and the difference in the price level, that is the settlement when it take place, the price difference with a view to earn the profit. Profit कैसे earn होगा? They will be seeing this thing that when the settlement is taking place, there is a difference in the price level of the securities. So when this difference take place, the profit will be earned by the exchange of the market. So these are some of the characters of this stock exchange. Hope this explanation has made the things clear to you, that what is the meaning of the stock exchange and what are the features of the stock exchange. Okay, so this all things will help you in getting the knowledge related with the meaning and the features of the stock exchange and make your understanding level much more better and convenient. Now let us move to the functions of the stock exchange. So what are the various functions which are being performed by the stock exchange? The first function, it is said that it facilitates the purchase and sale of securities. The purchase and the sale of the listed securities is being facilitated in the stock market. When the transactions are taking place, there is no need for you to wait a long time period for completing that transaction, because the buyers are also there and the sellers are also there, so purchase and sale of securities take place easily and conveniently. Second thing, checks on broker. So it keeps a check on the activities of the brokers also. In the previous day, what happened? The brokers were misleading the investors, misguiding the investors by giving them the wrong information in order to earn more and more profit for themselves. So this check has been laid down by the stock exchange, because they have made some rules and regulations for the brokers also, and if those rules and regulations are not followed by the brokers, their registration may also be cancelled. So check on the various activities of the broker related with the provision or providing the information in the true and fair manner to the investors. Then comes evaluation of securities is also taking place. The price determination of securities is done in a true and fair manner. It is not like that once the company has said the prices of the shares are this much, it will be shown or listed on the stock exchange. The stock exchange, they evaluate the securities of the company on the basis of the demand and the supply. Okay, and then they are also checking their books of accounts or doing the inspection of their accounts, so in order to know this thing that the companies are working properly and earning the profit. So proper evaluation of the pricing of the security is being done by the stock exchange. Then only the price of the securities are being quoted in the market. Help the existing company to raise the new capital. It also helps the existing company to raise the new capital. When the company wants some fresh capital for doing any new work or for doing any research development or for launching any new project. So the stock exchange helps these type of companies in getting the new capital by issuing their securities or helping them in issuing their fresh securities in the market. Intensive capital formation. Intensive capital formation take place because they attract the investors by providing the various information related with the securities of the company. And when this type of information are being provided to the investor, that how the company is working, what is the performance of the company, how much is the profitability of the company, what is the returns given by the company, the investors are attracted towards the investment in those companies, and they invest the hard money which they have saved in the securities of those companies, and the maximum mobilization of the saving takes place in the financial market at that particular time period. So intensive capital formation takes place because that money which they have invested in the market, now that money will be used by the companies in doing the productive work and earn more and more profit. It improves the efficiency of the company. Stock market is also trying to see this thing that the efficiency of the company should also improve, because the companies know this thing that stock market is one of the place or one of the source through which their goodwill can be created. If they will be working properly and if they will be earning the regular profits and giving the good returns to the investors, then the proper publicity will be done by the stock exchange, and it helps the companies in getting more and more funds. So the companies try to improve their working efficiency in order to get the benefit of the stock exchange related with their more publicity, through which the goodwill of the company can also be raised. So these were some of the functions related with the stock exchange. So hope now everything is clear to you related with the meaning of the stock exchange, related with the features of the stock exchange, and then what are the various functions of the stock exchange. And in this session we have discussed all these three things, and these three things might be now clear to you. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.
Oh.